wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Tourmaline hair dryers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Not only does the Wazor infrared help you avoid over-drying that can be detrimental to your hair's overall health, it includes a large diffuser. That's just what curly tresses need. It's also got an LED that lights up to indicate that the ionizer is on. It comes with an easily accessible cool shot and a wind comb. However, note that its high setting is extremely hot. At number 9, the Vaslon 1875 watt uses a built-in ionic generator designed to get rid of frizziness and leave your locks smooth from root to tip. It'll run on 3 different heat settings, helping you avoid overheating, which can lead to damage and dryness. This one comes in black or white with a lint filter that can be removed for cleaning, but it doesn't get as hot as some others. Coming in at number 8 on our list. For a sleek, shiny finish, you might want to give the Revlon Perfect Heat a try. This hot brush provides both spin and non-spin operations and dries while you style, which can cut down on the time you need to get the beautiful mane you deserve. It features tangle-free bristles and a non-rotating cool setting. However, the motor should last longer. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tourmaline hair dryers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, although the aesthetic might be more hotel and less salon, the Oster wall mount is nevertheless a fine selection for those who simply don't have the room, whether on top of their counters or in their cabinets. It's a snap to mount too. It comes with a 6-foot-long cord and a filter screen that prevents hair buildup, but there's no cool setting or shot button. Moving up our list to number 6. The Red by Kiss 1875 Pro has 3 heat settings and 2 air speeds, which makes it useful for many types of hair and desired styles. You'll get 4 attachments with it, including both a double-layered and single-layered styling comb, something not all models offer. It comes in an eye-catching red color. However, it weighs nearly 2 pounds, and its longevity is lacking. Halfway up our list at number 5. Unlike some other choices, the Bedhead Hothead can give you ample shine and even look good doing it, thanks to a pink and chrome finish that you won't want to hide away in a drawer. Curly-haired ladies take note, it comes with a concentrator but not a diffuser. It features 2 heat and 2 speed settings and a removable end cap, but it is on the loud side. At number 4, the Conair Ionic Ceramic gives you everything you'd expect from a high-quality model, including attachments, a cool shot button, and a comfy grip. But it goes one step further and offers you the choice between pink and black. It includes a handy hinged filter and is good value for the price. However, the attachments could stay on better. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. A 1875 watt model, the Jinri salon grade is light enough and quiet enough for everyday use without fatigue. It offers a removable air filter as well, so you can keep it clean and working at maximum efficiency for a long time. It's backed by a 2-year warranty and its heating is nice and even. It includes a useful straightening pick. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tourmaline hair dryers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, even though you're traveling, you shouldn't have to be at the mercy of poor styling tools. With the Conair minipro folding, you won't be. And because it gives you dual voltage capability, you can use it in many countries across the world. It's very light at just under a pound, and is equipped with a comfy no-slip grip and a 5-foot power cord. And taking the top spot on our list, you get the best of both worlds with the Rusk engineering weightless, as it's infused with tourmaline and ceramic for a fast dry that won't give you annoying or hard to control frizz. And at 2000 watts, it's more powerful than a lot of the competition. This one weighs less than a pound and is a good choice for straightening. It comes with a cool shot and setting. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Tourmaline hair dryers, or simply click beneath this video.